Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. It's another of my Zippo lighter series. Comes in this original Zippo box. And this week is a motorcycle club. What a cool looking lighter this is. Now before I go any further, RJ has only been on a motorbike once in his life in Malaysia in 2001. I've never owned a motorbike and I've got no desire to. I'm a car man myself. But look, have a butchers at this lighter. The artwork on it is superb. That's the back, the side, the top, the hinge, the original Zippo mark, because it's genuine product, and finally the lighter again. Comes with its own magazine as per normal, which I'll show you photos of at the end. The year is 1996. Travelling by motorbike is often associated with a carefree outlook on life, where the journey is every bit as important as the destination. Zippo Lighters and the motorbike has a long and close relationship with the company sponsoring motorbike associations and events helping worthy causes. Zippo lighter and a motorbike or motorcycle, depending on your country, have common traits. As well as running on petroleum-based fuel, both possess a certain cachet, practical and beautiful. Though the first motorcycle was preceded by the French and US steam-powered velocipedes, some recognise the two-wheel invention as being devised by German inventors Wilhelm Maybach and Gottlieb Daimler in 1885. Germans were at the forefront of motorcycle development back in the early day, and then in America you had the Harley Davidson. Motorbike owners cover many social classes, and you get different sorts of motorbikes, obviously, from luxury touring cycles to nimble motocross bikes intended for recreation. But for hundreds of millions of people around the world, they're a necessity and basic affordable transport. And Zippo has had a long association, as I said, and they've done exclusive lighter designs for makers such as Harley Davidson, and as recently as 2013, Zippo welcomed riders from New York State Hog Rally, which drove en masse from New York to Bradford, Pennsylvania. In the 50s, Zippo Motorcycle Riders Club was formed by Zippo employees, and George G. Blaisdell was an honorary member. And that's the two German inventors. And that is some cool lighters they've done over the years. Okay. By the 1930s, the German manufacturer DKW was the world's largest producer of motorbikes, assuming the mantle from American company Harley Davidson. And Zippo has done loads of motorbike designs, which are shown there. And this is the one they sent me, which you can see once again in its full glory there. In 1996, it was presidential year in North America and Russia. Yep, Boris Yeltsin is returned for the second term in Russia, and Bill Clinton won it in America. Also, Archbishop Desmond Tutu, winner of the Nobel Peace Prize of South Africa, retires at the age of 64. And tragically, in Scotland on the 13th of March, 16 children and a teacher killed by a gunman in a primary school. They were all under 11 near Dunblane. Afterwards, all private ownership of handguns is outlawed in Great Britain, and we've got one of the toughest gun laws in the world. Okay, my final subject to you is a very pleasant surprise, and that is the title of this Zippo series, which was launched in 1996. And although technically they did a few in 1975, they went all out in 1996 on a flexible format. And when you open the lid on a surprise model, something strange happens. And if you can see up there, you've got the word jackpot emerging. Oh, and there. And there. So and the advertising campaign was surprise, 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 and that is it over there. There's another surprise as well. There's about 50 of these in circulation, and they're popular. The process was the same as created in most of the Zippo lighters, said Laura Hill, but it's the idea of the surprise which was innovative at the time. And they did even a tea bag and a cup of tea. Okay, they've also done the Statue of Liberty and the space, which is down there. Those two. And those two. Pictures as normal at the end. Okay, thanks for watching. In about a month's time, I'll be doing the skull lighter, the 20th Zippo lighter, which will look like that. And give this video a thumbs up, and pictures from the book follow next. Thank you so much for watching. Stay lit.